fragrance is that I didn't find a fragrance that I absolutely loved. And so we started messing around, and I was talking, I'm like, okay, yeah, I think we do or should possibly come out with a new one if we're going to be getting rid of these, but I just didn't know what, right? And so we had this one fragrance done that was inspired by, a very nice fragrance, and it's expensive, but it was like, I just didn't love it, right? And I got it, I let everybody at the warehouse smell it, I let my wife smell it, and everybody's like, it's okay. And just it's okay isn't gonna move the needle. And so what I ended up doing is going back to Neiman Marcus. Neiman Marcus is one of the places where you've got all the premium brands, right? All the expensive fragrances. And so I spent hours in there smelling fragrances, trying different fragrances, and then I smelled one, and as soon as I smelled this, I was done. That's it, game over. I also was utilizing some of the other customers, the men and the women that were there shopping. I was running up to them with sticks of a fragrance. I'd be like, hey, smell this. Do you like this better or this better? Or do you like this better or this better, right? And so I was annoying, but I wanted to nail the fragrance. And when I found this one, that was it. And so I went to my lab. I said, this is the fragrance that I want. And the fragrance that we are going to be launching, it's called Icon, and I'm going to link to it down below if you guys want to go and sign up to be notified. We're only getting 5,000 units, all right, of this product. And the retail price is going to be right around $50, right? And that's where I'm getting that $250,000 number. And I am going to do everything in my power to literally sell out of this fragrance in a day. Now, the other thing that we're going to do is do limited runs. After this is gone, it's not coming back. All right, we're not going to rebuy it or reorder it, right? And so it's going to build a little bit of the hype and the excitement, and also letting people know, hey, if you don't grab this before it sells out, it's not coming back. All right, I'm going to link down below. Go sign up to be notified if you want to be on the list of this. What is it inspired by? None other than Millesime Imperial by Creed. It's in the gold bottle. It is one of the, in my opinion, sexiest, amazing, fresh, light summer fragrances that every dude is gonna love. And every spicy senorita that smelled this has said that fragrance is amazing. Now, what wasn't amazing with the original, right, by Creed, is that people were saying that it didn't last long enough. That was the most common negative feedback. Everybody agrees that it smells incredible, but it didn't last long enough. And so I went to my lab, I said, hey, here's the deal. Here's the fragrance. It's inspired by this, but you need to crank it up. You need to make it last longer and project better. This bad boy not only smells unbelievable, it lasts for a long time, and it projects like a rock star. And I am super pumped and I'm excited. And so how are we gonna do it? How are we gonna sell it? Here's the deal. Same way that I was telling you earlier, right? It's about building the hype. It's about building the excitement. It's about putting it out there on social media, sharing what we've been doing. And that's the other thing, right? You've got to be willing to talk to your customers, right? Let them know, hey, we're coming out with this new fragrance, this new product. It's going to be amazing. I want